nature's woodcarving artisan, the woodpecker. Welcome to a fascinating journey into the world of one of nature's most skilled artisans, the woodpecker. These birds are not only captivating with their appearance and behavior, but also play an essential role in the ecosystems they inhabit. Today, we'll explore how woodpeckers masterfully carve through wood, the various types of holes they create, and the unique adaptations that allow them to perform such remarkable feats. Woodpeckers are instantly recognizable by their distinctive rhythmic drumming as they peck away at trees. This iconic sound isn't just random noise, it serves multiple purposes, from foraging for food to creating nests and even marking their territory. Woodpeckers use their strong, chisel-like beaks to drill into tree bark with incredible precision and force. But have you ever wondered how they manage to do this without injuring themselves? Their skulls are uniquely adapted to absorb the shock from their persistent hammering. Specialized muscles and cushioning structures protect their brains from concussions, allowing them to continue this intense activity with ease. This alone makes them one of the most fascinating species in the bird world. Let's dive deeper into the artistry of their wood carving. Woodpeckers create different types of holes, each serving a specific purpose in their survival. The most common type of hole you might notice is the foraging hole. These are usually small and scattered across the surface of trees. Woodpeckers create these to access insects hiding beneath the bark. Using their long, barbed tongues, which can extend far beyond the tip of their beaks, they extract larvae, ants, and other small creatures with incredible precision. Imagine a woodpecker tapping methodically across a tree trunk, almost as if it's a nature detective, sensing vibrations and sounds of insects moving within the wood. Once the right spot is found, it starts chiseling away until the meal is in reach. Beyond foraging, woodpeckers are also master nest builders. They carve out larger, deeper holes in dead or dying trees to create nesting cavities. These nesting holes can be quite elaborate, sometimes going several inches deep into the tree. The soft, decaying wood of older trees provides the perfect material for them to excavate. Inside these secure cavities, woodpeckers raise their young, safe from predators and harsh weather conditions. What's even more interesting is that these nesting holes often become homes for other species once the woodpeckers move on, contributing to the biodiversity of the forest. There's also a lesser-known type of hole that woodpeckers create called the sap well. This is particularly common among species like the sapsucker woodpecker. They drill rows of small, neatly arranged holes into the bark of living trees to access the sap beneath. While sap is a tasty treat for the woodpecker itself, these wells also attract other animals, from hummingbirds to insects, making woodpeckers crucial contributors to their ecosystems. The sapsucker's careful tapping allows them to return to the same tree again and again, ensuring a steady supply of food over time. Each type of hole the woodpecker creates, whether for food, nesting, or sap collection, demonstrates not only its adaptability, but also its role as an ecological engineer. By creating holes in trees, woodpeckers help decompose dead wood and recycle nutrients back into the soil. Their nesting cavities become shelters for other animals, such as owls, squirrels, and even bats. Without woodpeckers, many forests would lack these important niches, disrupting the balance of life within them. The next time you hear the familiar drumming of a woodpecker in the woods, remember that you're witnessing one of nature's most skilled woodworkers at work. Their intricate holes are not just random pecking. They are the result of millions of years of evolution, finely tuned to keep forests healthy and thriving. So, when we think of woodpeckers, we're not just thinking of birds tapping on trees. We're acknowledging nature's woodcarving artisans, whose handiwork benefits entire ecosystems.